it's been a quite time I've came here to set up video, but at this channel you already know it's about interest of mine. I feel like I should make it, I should share the knowledge I will make, and I'm making this. Right now I'm just heading over a topic of Java tutorials that is absolutely on YouTube. So let's get started. Before starting, let me tell you what's the X factor for this course. And this course has an X factor like at every end of every video. This is a full tutorial video and consists of over more than 50 videos, and it's X factor is that at the last of every video, at the last seconds of every video, I will be providing a concept of C that will blow your mind, and that will help you in the procedure making of C competitive programming. Okay, so let's just quickly start it. What we have, okay, this is a Java, and you already know this is simple or quite simple. We use our in the 2011, tell you the little bit history. 2011 Samsung Galaxy started phones I was using on Java, but now this has been a lost its strength because Python and Whitehat came. But this language has its own legacy over computer programming. So let's just start it with an basic idea of what Java is. Java is an object-oriented programming language. That's not something which you don't know, but the difference between C, C++, and Java is that C++ is object-oriented programming. You can access the functions, member functions from the classes of C++ using objects, same as in Java, but the difference between C++ and Java is Java has a wider classes, predefined library that has every kind of functions. Means you have a bigger library functions. You can access different kind of functions like multiplayer, multimedia, applets, different stuff you're just learning in this course. Okay, so let's just tell you the basic rules for this Java program. Okay, let's just it's better to just start off with the program itself. It says simple program of printing hello Java, and it's a basic program of Java. And don't worry if you're not getting what I have written on the screen. I'll tell you every word, every meaning behind it and detail. So let's just firstly get started. Like first word, class means already told you Java is object-oriented program. Anything you have to do in a class. Okay, so class simple. Now look at the word simple. In the Java, it is a postulate, it is a parameter, it is a rule that for every class the first letter should be a capital 1. The Java JDK JRE machine will not consider as a class if you write it small. It should be capital. Okay, so let's just get into the class, and it says public static void main string args. This what means public. If it means you are making your class public, accessible to the out of JVM, means your Java machine can access this program. Also, the functions, the statements you are declaring in this public void main will be accessible to outside object. Also, static. What static means actually? Static is a complicated meaning which you're not going to understand in first class, but let me tell you in a brief. Like static is a keyword that says your class doesn't need any object to be called, because if you add static, the JVM machine, the moment enter in the class simple, will simply execute this function, and if you don't declare it static, you will need an object to access the functions of this class. Void main, you already know if you have a programming language, seems that your program has no return type. Main is a function that is absolutely firstly executable code you write in the main section. String is an argument. String is a class actually. You written the string is a class, every capital letter, and arg is its object. I will tell you this is in later part of the video, later part of the course, because you're not gonna understand it. Okay, let's just quickly say what this statement means. This statement means system.out.println. Kindly notice system has a capital S, means system is a class. System class has an object out. From this object we are calling a function println. Now println says printing of what I have written hello Java here, and ln says it will print the next command in the next line. So program itself is, I think itself is now cleared, but quite of confusions all up there. But this will be healing in a few days when you just learn in the next videos. So the next rule says that you have to save this file in the name. You have to save this file. Okay. Yep. You have to save this file. Save as in desktop. Naming it. The rule is you have to save the file with the name. You have a class which have a main function. Okay, in this case we have main function declared in class simple. So the name of this file should be simple.java. This already exists. Replace it. Okay. So it says like that. So just quickly get started with the CMD, and I'll tell you, don't get. Let's change the directory. Okay, let's clear our screen. CD desktop to change the directory. Okay, it's already in desktop. What we're doing. Okay, this is triply call the function, and the protocol for this is Java C. I'll tell you how to get onto this in the description link, and I'll tell you the procedure right there in the end of video. Okay, simple, you have to just write simple, which is the name of a program. You can see this program, and just write the file Java. Now at this statement it will compile this and show you if you have any errors. No errors, it will display like this. And to call this, write just Java simple. It says hello Java. That's the first program you've been up to, and now let me tell you how you can just run this Java JDK JRE machines, how you can get up to that. So to get up to that, I just provided the video links, because what already was in internet, why I should tell you right there. So it says I will provide you the links. You have to download. In brief, I will tell you, you have to download JDK file, JRE file from the Oracle official website, and then you have to set the path in the CMD just like that. You can enter CMD, and to check that, just add Java C, and it will display like this. Okay, so let's assume that this part you have to do your own, because you have to push yourself to make some effort. Search on internet and go there, find it, and boom, come back to me in the next video. Okay, so we have created a program, and now this is time for you for a concept of a C. To make a concept of C, let me just open C program, because a multitasking man is a man of multitasking. I believe in multitasking, and you should learn both languages simultaneously, because it won't make any difference. So let's just create a file simple. Okay, simple code, write it simple code, and just tell you concept that you might know, might not know, but it's a competitive concept that will help you somewhere. CDIO is the last of the files, habit of installing them. Let's just void main or CR. Okay, so the question is, what will be the output of following program? Printf. Okay, the question says T again printf Tim. Right. Done. So now the question is, what will be the output of a following program? Okay, I'll give you time, but you have to think your own. Okay, let me just tell you what this output is. Before displaying the output, let me guess that what it is. Let me tell you the function. Okay, in this void main function, the only function called is that we meant is printf. And what's printf? You know what's printf actually is. I'm going to tell you right now. Okay, so what printf you know is %d in semicolons with comma followed by printf semicolon, you have to display. Okay, printf comma, what you have to display. It's like that.